All right, welcome to Module 6, where we are setting up automated backups for our website using the UpdraftPlus plugin. We'll be saving all of our backups into our Google Drive account. So, first thing we want to do is head over to Plugins, Add New, search for UpdraftPlus or just Updraft, and then hit Install Now. And then activate, and go ahead and click press here to start. So this will take you to Updraft, and now we can go over to the settings tab. And now we're going to set up our files backup schedule to weekly, and we're going to retain 4 scheduled backups. And then for our database, we're going to set that to daily, and we're going to retain 30. Then we're going to scroll down and click Google Drive. And then you can scroll down all the way to the bottom and hit Save Changes. Go ahead and click the link that pops up. That'll take you over to Google. And then you want to sign into your account. Click Allow. Click Complete Setup. And we've now completed our connection to Google Drive. Go ahead and click Backup Now, and you'll see that the backups are now beginning. Go ahead and click Close, and now we are complete.